Hi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my Lashboxing for you guys. And it won't take very long. I did do the other unboxings in another video which will be going up here soon. I should have done Ipsy and this together since they're both, not huge boxes, which I'll do that the next time. But I am going to do this one for you guys today. So again, Lashybox is a lash subscription that I found on Instagram. I will link them down below. The website and their Instagram name I will put here on the screen. I found them through Instagram, and real quick I'm going to just tell you guys a little bit information as far as the different ones that they have, the different subscription boxes that they have. They do have some beautiful, beautiful lashes, and I'm just looking over on my iPad here. Okay, so the one that I get is the full-size Lashybox. So they have 4 different ones, and I believe they're starting a new one here soon that is just completely lashes. New tutorial. So we're just going to use natural lighting for now because I hate how, I know that the ring light is supposed to get dark behind me because it's focusing in on my face. I got to play with my camera and figure it out. I don't like it like that at all. I feel like it's way too dark. So we're just going to use natural lighting. The sun's starting to go down, but we'll get this filmed. So anyways, so I get the full-size Lashybox. That one, I'm trying to see where the prices are. Come on. Okay, so they have 4 boxes. Let me just tell you this. They have a full-size Lashybox, which is the one that I get. They have the Drama Box, Soft Glam Box, and the Mini Lashybox. So right now they have 4 different ones. So the one that I receive, as I told you guys before, it says it comes with lashes, and then it will also contain a couple other products that are non-lash related, non-lashes. So it could be lash related, it could be not, it may not be. That one retails for $13.99. And then we have the Lashybox Mini. That one comes with 2 to 3 pairs of luxury level lashes, mink, silk, premium synthetic, Korean synthetic hair, natural hair, and more for $9.99. So the one that I get is $13.99, and then the mini is $9.99. With tax, I think I pay because there is a $2 shipping charge, which isn't too bad. I think I pay like $16 total, I want to say, somewhere around there. The Drama Box is levers of bold, dramatic lashes, and that one has 3 to 4 super fluffy, dramatic mink lashes. It says it comes with faux mink, 3D silk, which are valued at $50 to $80 for a pair. And that it says it's $12.99 a month. Each pair will be dramatic in their own way. And it will at least come with a pair of 25 mm or 28 mm mink or faux lashes. That one retails for $12.99. Then you have the Soft Glam Box, which is 3 to 5 pairs of natural soft glam lashes a month plus extras, such as a makeup item or tool or both. So that one's $12.99. Now, I'm getting so jam-packed on lashes. I love lashes. They're so beautiful. I want to try to wear them to work and, like the more natural ones. I have so many right now that I think I'm going to continue this for now. I might put it on hold for just a little while because I have so many lashes right now. And I don't want them to just be sitting there because they're so beautiful. I'm definitely going to keep this for a couple more months at least, so that I can continue getting some lashes and saving them for you guys for a future giveaway, because they're absolutely beautiful. And I don't believe you can get any of these specific lashes in stores or anything like that. So yeah, they're beautiful, beautiful lashes. I've already worn several pairs of them. I like them. They're not hard to put on. They're very, very nice and very much worth the price tag that I pay. It's just that it bothers me that so many lashes are just sitting in my closet. So I'm definitely putting some away for you guys. I'm going to give some to some friends as well. But yeah, so if you are a lash wearer and you wear them consistently, or you have clients or people you do makeup on, definitely look into this, because I will say it's definitely worth it. Again, I will link their website and the information down below, and I will also put their Instagram name as well. And you can also find them on my Instagram, Dededecortebeauty on Instagram. I follow them, so you can find that on there as well. So let's go ahead and get into the box. So the first thing that I see is a pair of Lashybox lashes. These are the 3D silk lashes in the style Cake. Super full, super beautiful. I love, and they just kind of go different directions. I really love when they are super full like that. Very nice. And then this other one is Lashybox as well. This is their 3D silk lashes in sprinkles. So this one is full as well, but it is a little more separated, as you can see. A little bit more spread out. Those are really pretty. And there was a pair of lashes I got in the December box, I think, and it came like in a round circle. And I tried those one day because they're absolutely beautiful. But when I went to put them on my eyes, I'm not lying, guys, they were like almost covering my eyebrows. So those I'm definitely going to be passing along to someone who loves to have really big lashes like that. I personally like them big, but not that big. I mean, they're almost covering my eyebrows. So yeah, they're absolutely beautiful, but those I'm going to be passing on. It looks like there's two pairs of lashes from Jackie Love. They're faux mink lashes. The first one I see is in Maddie 2.0. The packaging is super cute. Purple and green. I love it. And they're super full. So beautiful. These I'm probably going to save for somebody, like for a giveaway, because these are super, super full and super, super long. And I don't know how they'll work on my eyes. I don't want to try them and then them not work, but they're so, so beautiful. And then I also have this pair, which is Capricorn. Love the names. Very cute. They're super full, super long, but they're not as full as the last pair that I showed you guys. So, so pretty. But yeah, I like those as well. Love the packaging so, so, so much. And then also it says they're vegan, cruelty-free. And it says that you can find this brand of lashes, Jackie Love. Their Instagram, their Twitter, Snapchat, and their YouTube is right there. I'll put that for you guys, but I will also, it's backwards on the camera, but I will also link it in the description down below so that you can, I'm sorry, my TV just has a mind of its own, so that you can go and check out their other lashes that they have and see what they have there. It looks like a Lashybox and Jackie Love collab. It looks like a holder, I'm sorry, not a holder, a big tweezer to put the lashes on with. I definitely need this because I've been using my tweezers, and sometimes the tweezers, it can get really hard because it doesn't have that slanted, edge. So this is definitely an item that I need. And then there's one more thing in the box. Actually, two more. Looks like glue, and it's the dark adhesive glue right there. And I still have not tried their glue yet. I will give it a try, let you guys know what I think. They do put that in there. Like I told you guys before, I use the Kiss lash glue because it's what I'm familiar with, but I'm definitely going to try theirs just so I can see if it's any good, because it could be pretty good. It looks like a little palette. Yay! So it's Crescent Moon is the brand. It looks like it's a 4-color eyeshadow. Maybe that's what it's called, but the brand is CAS Cosmetics. Very cute. It's about the size of my hand. Ooh, it has a little mirror. And then look at these. Oh, these are beautiful. Like I need another eyeshadow palette, but I mean, why not? So pretty. I'm going to try to swatch. Oh, that feels pretty. Oh, that's like a dual chrome. Wow, that's so beautiful. These are definitely colors I don't really have in my collection. They're definitely not colors you can create a full custom look with, but they're definitely, oh, that is so, they're colors that you can add to any type of look. Okay, so I want to show you guys this real fast. So, this is the, okay, on that finger, this is the red one here. Okay, it has a little bit of sparkle. It's Zenith. And then in the middle finger, we have this one, which is Ophelia. But if you look at it and turn it different directions, it's like a dual chrome. I mean, it has so many different colors to it, shifts. I'm going to show you what they swatched like too afterwards. It's starting to get dark, I'm sorry. Okay, and then we have the Callisto, I think is what it's called, right there on my pinky. Look at how pretty that is. And that's this color here. That's also like a shifter. And then we have New Moon, which right here when I'm looking, it's like a deep purpley blue. But look how it swatches on the finger. Those are the swatches. Come on, focus. I mean, not the swatches on my finger. That's what they look like, right? Look how and that was one swipe. And then look on my hand, how that looks. So there's that red, there's that pinky, it kind of looks peachy, orange, then that one, and then look at this blue shifting one. On my hand, it looks like a violet blue. And then on camera, it's coming off like a turquoise. So, so pretty. So I'm really excited to have those. Definitely keeping this to have in my collection and to try out and see. That's really great. Like I said, I paid $16 with shipping, tax, everything. It's $13.99, but with tax. And we got this beautiful, beautiful palette. Definitely one to keep in my collection because they're unique colors. And that Ophelia is like, when I'm looking at it, it's like a rosy gold with a little bit of like sparkle. But when you swatch it, absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, guys, that is everything that I got in my Lashybox. Definitely check them out if you are a lash person, girl. If you love lashes the way that I do and you like to wear them a lot, definitely check them out. I think it's affordable. I think that I've been happy with all of my boxes. I've gotten stuff that I like, and I think for less than 20 bucks, actually before taxes, less than 15 bucks, I think you are not going wrong with this. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do enjoy these types of unboxing videos, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And comment down below if you have tried out this subscription box, what you think about it, or if you are interested in trying it. If you have any questions for me about the subscription, leave that down in the comments below, and I'd love to answer any questions you may have. But this is going to end the video for now, guys. I thank you again so much, and until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.